Welcome to the best episode of BNN.
Why?
Because we're the anchors. Big news, basketball season is coming up pretty fast.
Basketball tryouts for girls begin after school. Good luck to all our athletes.
Tennis did an amazing job in many of their matches.
Also, the book fair starts today through Friday.
Go to the library to get some of your favorite books.
Now to you, Arya.
And now for a special message by BNN. Welcome to the do's and don'ts of your school's iReady challenge. The iReady challenge is a challenge where other advisory classes compete with other classes to see who can get the most iReady lessons. If you get the most iReady lessons, you get a surprise.
Hey Aiden, you should be on iReady so our class can win the challenge.
Oh yeah, you're right. I'll get to work on that right now.
Although homework is a productive use of your time, it does not help your class win the challenge. You need at least 45 minutes and 2 lessons done on iReady to even have a chance at winning.
Omar, that's not cool. Get on iReady so our class can win the prize.
Now that you say it, I do want that surprise. I'll get to work on iReady right now.
Remember, you should never play games on your school-issued Chromebook. An advisory is iReady time only. Now, let's look at the do's of the iReady challenge.
Wow, Morgan, I guess we are gonna win this challenge.
Yeah, I've already done 2 lessons today, and I'm gonna aim to do as many as possible by the end of the week.
Always stay on task, and remember to complete at least 2 iReady lessons per week. Happy learning!
Now for Cooking with Omar, our favorite foods made easy by Omar Talidi.
Welcome to Cooking with Omar. Today we're making a shawarma in a dish. You're gonna cut up some chicken. You're gonna cut up the chicken nice and small. Next, you're gonna put some dry mint, some Greek yogurt, some onion powder, some garlic powder. You're gonna need some ground cumin, some salt, and a little sparkle of olive oil. I recommend using a cup of olive oil. And then you're gonna need some lemon. You're gonna need some house blend, some paprika, and then you're just gonna mix it up, mix it all up. Next, you're gonna pour some olive oil into a pan. Then you're gonna wait the olive oil to heat up. Then you're gonna pour your chicken into the pan, and then you're gonna stir it around. Next, you're gonna lay your puff pastry on a pan and put your chicken on it. Next, you're gonna sprinkle some mozzarella onto your puff pastry. Then add another layer of puff pastry and connect it with a fork. Then you're gonna spread some egg yolk on top of your puff pastry. Then you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of poppy seeds and put it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. Then once you've taken it out of the oven, it should look like this. I did pretty good on my part. Right, now for the moment of truth. That's pretty good. All right, now see ya.
Well, that's all for now.
See you next time.
Do not snooze on the news. Bye, guys.